Welcome to our new place. This is, well, it's backwards, but whatever. We just got this place today, and I'm going to use this to show, basically give a tour of our new home. So let's turn this around and get it going. First thing you notice is in the entranceway, we've got a little bit of floor, and here's the stairway. As you can see, I'm prepared. I'm going to go upstairs first just to show you what it looks like. So this is about 15 steps. That's quite a deal, but this is a little bit of closet space, probably a linen closet. Well, I'd say that's obvious. Here's the first bedroom. I like the light that comes in here. I think it's going to be better than there. So this will probably be what I'm going to use as my photo studio. Nice closet, walk in. Full bathroom, 2 sinks, and bathtub. Laura, I know you will not be able to use it, but that's okay. And then we go down here, down this hallway. And we are in here. That's another linen closet. It's good closet space. I like it. A second bathroom. So we got 2.5 baths in here. This is the other bedroom. This will probably become my bedroom. More closet space, of course, because there's always closet space. Excellent. So a little bit of street view, kind of boring. I can see a tree outside, so maybe we'll see some birds, get some good pictures of them. That would work for me. Okay, now I'm heading back downstairs. I'm going to be heading down there. Now this is the living room. As you can see, there's a fireplace. I don't know why it's on or how to turn it off. I'll just have to ask about that. But this is the space for the living room. Nice windows. Everything else looks good. Plugs are everywhere. Not that I didn't get some extension cords, which I did. But I got it all set. This is the way into the kitchen, which does have a dishwasher. I'll have to try it out because the last one leaked so badly I just washed everything by hand. Got the sink, the regular part of the sink. This is the garbage disposal sink, so you get a little tiny one. Good counter space. Even got an island here in the middle. Our fridge. As you can see, I've already put ice cube trays in there so we can have ice cubes the moment we're moved in. But bigger freezer, fairly decent sized fridge. As far as being able to fit pictures and things like this, I can always move those shelves around. There, as you can see, plenty of shelf space. I can go almost anywhere with it. A couple drawers, wider doors so it can fit your apple juice, whatever in it, no problem. Butter dish. Okay, and this is going to be your special area. We've got nice light coming in here. You can always shut the shades, whatever. So this is a nice spot. You got the back door over there. This leads out onto patio. I'll show you that real quick. But this is our patio. We can clean that up and make that look real pretty. No problem. So yeah, I'll just have to clean that up, make it look good. Make sure to always lock both doors. You never know. This is where our water heater is. Looks like a pretty nice unit. This closet here is where our air filter and heater is, so I can, if something happens to the heat, I can easily fix it, no problem. This one is our washer and dryer. So we got the washer down below, dryer on top. No problem, good unit, looks decent. I like it. And this is the little half bathroom. So we got, this is the plunger. We can put your seat right next to it, no problem. Looks like there's plenty of space. Got a little sink. Good space underneath. As you can see, I already got a little trash can for the bathroom, so we'll deal with where that goes afterwards. But this is that. Got that little thing there for the air. Plugs in there. Multiple switches. Got this one for this light up here. This one, I haven't seen what it's for. I'm sure it's for something important, but. And this one, I still don't know what it's for. Well, not everything makes any sense to me. So I'm gonna figure all of this out. I don't know how to turn off the fireplace. That's the only problem. I will also be filming some things around here to see what needs to be fixed. So this is our little tour for you, Laura. And yes, I put it on YouTube so it's easier for you to see. But that's about it. So enjoy the apartment as soon as we move in.